This quick guide explains how to buy shares of ParTec AG, a German industrial automation and engineering company listed on Xetra with ticker JY0.de. This is educational information only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker JY0.de to find ParTec AG. Select the matching result to open the company listing. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker JY0.de. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio view. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.